Hello everyone, welcome back to BJ Tech channel. Here on this channel we teach different tutorials on how to make money online, introduce useful tools for working boys, share crypto, flashing update methods, and much more. Kindly join my WhatsApp and Telegram channels for more updates. Also subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on the notification bell so you'll be among the first to receive updates whenever I upload a new one. With that being said, let's move on to today's video. In today's video, I want to teach you guys how to flash crypto on chain wallet. This on chain wallet is very sharp. It doesn't need any fee to start or to generate token. It's easy to fund and easy to flash instant. Without further ado, let's get started. Firstly, you go to your Play Store or App Store, you download the app, the on-chain app. We have two crypto.com. If you search the crypto.com, you see two crypto.com app. You see two. So crypto.com, if you search it like this, you see two wallets instant. But the one we are focusing on is the one that they wrote on chain instant. You can see it the on chain one. They even have three. It's even three like this. So this is the one you download, the on chain wallet. Just search on chain wallet, you will see this crypto.com. So once you download it, you open and create account. So I already create my account instant. So this is the interface of it. In case you open the app, it's not displaying all this BTC, maybe it's glitching. You can just on VPN to access the app. There may be sometimes it may be showing like that, so just use a VPN. So after you have downloaded the app, the next thing is go to this website. This is the website you'll be using to flash our token, to generate our token. So the website is available instant. If you need the full details of this website, you will pay for it. It's not free. So once you are on this website, you create an account. You have created an account successfully. So the next thing is just you need to create your virtual testnet. You click on this. You click on virtual testnet. Once you click on virtual testnet, you will go back to this place. Then you click on create virtual testnet. Instant. Note, once you are in this interface, you should follow my process so that you won't do mistake. So once you are in this network place, we'll be going with, you can flash different crypto network. You can see it. But for the purpose of this video, you are going with mainnet. So once you choose your mainnet, you just here in this place, you can write MMM. Then you click on next. You can write any name. You can write any name. In this custom place here, where you go custom, you change it to, you click it, you change it to network default. Then you scroll down. You scroll down. This public explorer, you just take it. Then you scroll down and leave the rest like that. You click on create virtual testnet. Once you click on create virtual testnet, this is the interface. Like this is what you will see here instant. So after we are done with our virtual testnet, after you create it, the only thing we need on this website is the HTTPS. So that is the link we will be needing to set up our on-chain wallet flashing method stand. So like this now, just copy this stand. It's very easy. Just go to your on-chain. So I'll be opening the app. This is the on-chain. So make sure you are following this process. So once you are on your wallet, you click on wallet. Then you scroll up. You will go to up. You see this settings logo. You click on it. Then you scroll down. You click on network and RPC. Note this network and RPC. This is what you click. Once you click it, you scroll and select Ethereum, because we are on Ethereum network. So you click on Ethereum. Then in this interface here, you will click on add custom node, because that is where you paste the link we copy on the website. This is where you paste it. Then you will click on done and you confirm it. So once you confirm it, make sure this green check mark that is in this first first crypto.com default node one. You just make sure it is in this place. You just click on the side. Once you click on the side, the thing will come to that place. Then you are good to go. Like this now, this wallet is good for flashing. So the thing now you want to do now is to flash this wallet. So just tell your client or anybody that you want to flash. Let's click on receive. So we're flashing this wallet now with Ethereum. We flash with like 500 Ethereum, 500 Ethereum. It's not $500, 500 Ethereum. So let's say we go back to the site. Stand. Once you're on this place, you click on fund. So once you click on fund, it's done because we are funding the our wallet. So here now, this place that the host wallet, you paste the wallet address. Then this place that is select token, you search for Ethereum because it's Ethereum we want to flash. So you search for Ethereum. So you search it, finish, search. Then make sure you choose the okay, wait. Let's search Ether. This Ether, this is it, Ether native currency. This is what you choose. You click it. Then the thing remove Ether. You choose it. So once you choose it, you now choose the amount. Let's say 500 or 50 Ethereum. 50 Ethereum is not $50. It's no 50 Ethereum is high. Or let's say 1 Ethereum. If you don't want to do 1 Ethereum, okay, let's put it for 2 Ethereum. So then you click on top up account. So once you click on top up account, you can see it now. 2 Ethereum, you have funded this successfully. So you go back to the wallet and you refresh it. Let's see if it will reflect. You can see now you only flash 2 Ethereum. You can see 2 Ethereum is equivalent to 4,000 this in dollar. You start. So that's why I say if I flash like 1,000, the thing will be like millions of coin on this wallet. So I can still add if I want to add. So but that is that on that. That is how to flash your Ethereum. But if you want to flash USDT, understand, we don't need to do any settings again. All we need to do is just enable this USDT this thing here. You click on this, you scroll down, click on money token. Understand, money token. So on this place now, on this search token part here, you search for Tether. Tether is still same name as USDT. So search for Tether. So once you search for Tether, you see different logo of Tether of USDT. But note, you should note that Ethereum has logo. So if you scroll down, you see this first one is not, it's Phantom Tether. This one is Keltin Tether. This one is Tether. But if you check this fourth one, you see the logo of Ethereum logo. That is the Ethereum, and that is one you enable. So once you enable it, you are done. You just tell, or if you want to even flash your client, you just tell your client to come to the money token. Then you just tell him to enable it. Then that is done. So once you tell him to enable that, you then tell the client to give you the wallet address. Simple. You click on receive. Then you go back to the what are they saying, to the site. You go to the site, so and you flash the wallet. So let's go back to the site now. So we're going back to the site. So on this interface now, when the first time you choose on you clear this wallet address, so you paste the new one, which is the one you copy. So then this token part, you change it to USDT, because that is the thing you want to flash, USDT. So you see this Tether, I can see Tether. You just click on it, then you now come this place. Let's flash it like USDT of 50,000 USDT. So then you click on top up balance. So we have flashed our token with our wallet with 50 USDT. So you go back to the wallet. Let's refresh. You can see it now. See the wallet. Click on wallet. You can see it 50 USDT. So that is how sharp this on-chain wallet is very sharp. You are not needing any token to flash. So in case you want to flash your client, so in case maybe you want to flash other wallets, you want to flash, you just tell your client, let's create another wallet. Yeah, let's add another wallet. So let's just create another wallet. So like this now, this new fresh wallet. So in case you want to flash your wallet, we don't have anything here. So you just tell your client to add the network and the link. You tell your client to just go to the settings, then click on network and RPC. Then the client should choose Ethereum. Then the client, you just tell the client to the link you use, particular link you use, you go back to this website. If you don't have the link, just if you don't have the link, just go back to this website. See the link here, see the link. This is the HTTPS. You copy it. This is the no, that is the most important part to just copy it. Stand. So that is the link you copy. Then you click on here, you paste it. Once you paste it, you just I already add it. That is why it's showing here. I already add it. It's on my own. It's on this wallet already. So that is it. This is it on at the down. So I already add it. So that is why they not allow me to add it. So as me I'm using another phone now or another RPC network, they will allow me to add it. So it's already added to this my own this thing. So once your client add it, just tell your client to copy the Ethereum wallet address. Understand? If it's Ethereum you want to flash, you tell your client to send the Ethereum wallet address. And if it's the USDT, understand? Let's say you want to flash the Ethereum now. If you copy, note, let me show you something. If you try and copy this Ethereum wallet address now and you want to flash, let me show you something. You go back to our wallet one that we have funds. So let's click on it, send. So we paste the wallet address here. Next, got it. So like this now, if you want to flash, you can flash Ethereum. It's very easy to flash Ethereum. If you are flashing Ethereum, you can see it now. It's successfully sent, confirm sent. Then I will send the Ethereum. I've sent one Ethereum to the other wallet. You can see it now. So let's wait for it to confirm. So it has been completed. You see it. So I already flashed one Ethereum out of this wallet. So let's check the second wallet that we created. So we just refresh. You can see it now. This I flash one Ethereum. You can see one Ethereum. So it's because I've already added the link to this my own wallet. That's why it reflects. So if your client never add the network, the link, that link, the thing won't reflect. So make sure your client add the link so that once you tell him to send your wallet address, it will reflect. So the same as the USDT, but it's like the USDT they'll ask for fee. So let's try and send to USDT. Let's try. So let's copy our. So if you want to flash your client USDT, you just tell your client to click on money token. Stand money token. Then you tend because you can flash direct now. The thing may not reflect. So just tell it to enable this. Then you go back. So once you enable that one, you see it here, you copy it, you just receive, then copy the wallet address. So you go back to your wallet that we have funds. So you go back to the wallet that we have funds, wallet one, then click on send out. Let's click on send. Let's see it first. If they will ask for network, so click on confirm. So let's say like 5,000 confirm USDT. So let's see. Okay, you can see it now. They don't even ask for fee. So I don't think they will ask for fees. You can see it now. So once you flash your client, you can see it. You can flash your client direct from here also. You can see it. It's very easy. So I flash my client 5,000 USDT. You can see they will deduct it. It's very easy to use. Then you go back to your wallet too and check. You can see it will reflect instantly. So that is that on that. That is why to flash your coin on crypto on-chain wallet. If you need the full tutorial, kindly DM. And if you enjoyed this video so far, please kindly like and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more updates. And make sure you join my Telegram channel and YouTube channel for more updates. It's time. See you next in my next video. Bye.
Stay tuned for more tech insights. Like, share, and subscribe.